This audio effect right here is the underwater effect, and it's one of the easiest ways to level up your sound design. Welcome back to day 85 of the 100-day editing school. In DaVinci, select your audio track and cut it where you want the effect to start. Drag the second half down one layer and fade both tracks. Then go to your audio effects folder and search for low pass. Drag this effect onto your second track and this window will pop up. Now drag this point a bit to the left and a bit down so you get a curve like this. So very easy but effective. Try it out.